Click on the link below to get price. The Isinwheel electric bike for adults is a remarkable blend of power, convenience, and technology, making it an excellent choice for both commuting and leisurely rides. Equipped with a robust 500W motor, the bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, providing a thrilling yet manageable ride. The responsive acceleration allows users to navigate urban traffic effortlessly, making daily commutes much more enjoyable. One of the standout features of the Isinwheel e-bike is its folding design. This aspect is particularly advantageous for those with limited storage space or those who want to transport the bike easily. It folds compactly, making it convenient to fit in the trunk of a car or to store in an apartment. The various wheel sizes available 14, 16, 20, and 26 offer versatility and cater to different rider preferences and requirements. The bike's construction is both sturdy and lightweight, striking an excellent balance that enhances maneuverability while ensuring durability. The frame feels solid, instilling confidence while riding, especially at higher speeds. The brakes are efficient, providing reliable stopping power to ensure safety on busy streets. The battery life is commendable, offering a decent range that allows for extended rides without frequent recharging. This feature is crucial for users who may want to take longer journeys or explore trails. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information like speed, distance traveled, and battery level, allowing riders to monitor their performance easily. In terms of comfort, the bike is designed with a cushioned seat and ergonomic handlebars, making longer rides pleasant. The overall ride experience is smooth, thanks to its excellent suspension system, which absorbs shocks from uneven surfaces. In summary, the Isinwheel electric bike for adults is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance their mobility with an eco-friendly and efficient mode of transport. Its blend of power, portability, and comfort makes it a top contender in the electric bike market.